Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino, and here we go again. It's just lovely. It's lovely. Every freaking day is lovely, and we're going to talk about what's happening here and what we can expect tomorrow, because we're going to hear from the Fed. Although we heard from the Fed yesterday, and we heard from the Fed again today already. Well, kind of. We'll talk about that in a second. All right. So anyway, yeah, it's Thursday, September 15th, 2020. Let me set the stage for you. Stock futures are higher across the board, pointing towards gains at the open. Stock trading doesn't start for about 40 minutes. What else is going on? Crude oil is getting a nice boost right now. I don't know how many of you are aware of this, but this is why crude turned around. Apparently, Iran is being blamed, and it may very well be true, that they are going to be targeting the United States in one way or the other. President Trump tweeted that if Iran does anything, we will hit them 1,000 times harder. That was enough to turn crude oil around. Now, as you know, crude oil is the lifeblood of the military-industrial complex. It is the lifeblood of the stock market. Crude oil higher will push the energy sector higher. It will push financials higher. Market will rise. So this tweet from President Trump, market's loving it. Loving it. At least the energy sector is loving it. Anyway, so again, stocks pointing towards a higher open, crude oil higher. 10-year yield slightly higher. This is positive for the stock market. 0.68. Dollar weaker. This is positive for the stock market. Cryptocurrencies are getting bid up. Gold is getting bid up. Silver is getting bid up. I mean, it's a crazy scenario here. But look, no surprise to anyone. They're going to prop up this market any way they can do it. You know that's going to happen with the election cycle. You know, we're in an economic recovery. It's superb. It's tremendous. It's a super V. Obviously, none of this is true. We are in economic free fall. And we got some fake data today with regard to manufacturing. The manufacturing index, they can't explain how, but the index went higher unexpectedly. Duh! It's not real. I can't believe that anyone buys the government propaganda anymore. It's not real in any way, shape, or form. So let's talk about another reason why the stock market is poised for gain. So yesterday we found out from the Fed that they have unlimited capital to lend, and they want to. They want to lend more. They're asking members of Congress to ask for more money from the Fed because they have all the money they need. Okay. This is part of the plan. You know that. So going back to what I said earlier, the Federal Reserve, there was news today, came out on CNBC, Bloomberg, and it might have been covered on Fox Business as well. The Federal Reserve will, you better sit down for this one, keep rates suppressed at least through 2023. Let me let you in on a little secret here. They're going to be suppressed indefinitely. Okay, they're not going to stop. And they're determined to flood the world with dollars. Like they just said yesterday, they have unlimited capital to lend. It's unlimited. So this is obviously very stock market positive. So look, this is where we're going here. It's a takeover by the Federal Reserve, other world central banks, the European Central Bank. They are determined to put their boot harder on the throat of every citizen on the planet Earth. You understand? That's what they want. This has been their goal since the inception of central banking, to run everything. And they already do that. And then now we're seeing mergers between mega banks. That's all part of the plan too. These mega super banks, I believe we're going to see more mergers. Okay? This is going to consolidate power, more power in fewer banks, okay? We're going to get at one point a one bank system. I don't care what their names may be. I mean, right now, the Federal Reserve is run by who? Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Bank of America, Morgan Stanley's, a couple of others. They run the Fed. So essentially, the names are what they are. It doesn't matter. It's the Fed running the entire show, running the entire planet. And we're going to hear from them tomorrow. It's going to be more of the same. Easy money, endless amounts of debt, period, the end. And the market is probably going to like it. But again, expect volatility here in this market, especially because of where we are in the market cycle, being that, we're in this month here, September. October is going to be the same kind of thing. But look, there's money to be made here. All my Lions know this. Again, my free newsletter has got to be the best thing that's probably ever happened to traders in the history of the world. It's 100% free. I post all my positions there. I mean, again, over 50 trades, only 2 losses, and that is extraordinary. And I'm not tooting my own horn. I'm doing this for all of you for nothing, so we can all win. You understand? We, my Lions and I, have 4 positions open right now, and gauging from what the market did yesterday and today, we're in the right spot so far. But let's see how it plays out. Again, expect more easy money in unprecedented amounts. Expect more talk to prop up crude oil like the president did this morning. We're going to hit Iran 1,000 times harder. Boom! Crude oil goes up. It's a ploy. It's a ploy to prop up crude, to prop up the energy sector, to prop up the financial sector. Stocks go up, okay? Whether Iran is really threatening anyone, I doubt it. I'll be honest with you. I think it's just a charade, and the president played it in the way he would normally play it, to boost up the stock market. That's all he cares about. We all understand that. All right, look, that's it. Important video, I think. Please share it. Get it out there. Let people hear this stuff. And me and you and me, we're going to rendezvous right here later at the end of the day. And I cannot wait to see what they pull off. I'm out of here.